Hey everybody, this is Dean DaCosta, and today we're going to talk a tool that can really help you when it comes to creating your searches, job descriptions, pretty much anything. It's called Wordtacker Scout. It is in the Chrome store. It has been around for a little while, but it's since 2017. But it's a really cool tool, and the only reason why I haven't spoken about it before is because I've been playing around with it a lot just to see how accurate it is, and it's really pretty good. So I'm on my own LinkedIn page. I do that because I really don't want to pick on other people's sites and have you see other people's information. So I'm going to open up the word Tracker Scout. So here is page summary. These are the words that are on this page. Now, this is my LinkedIn profile. So you see the words recruiter, staffing, management, www, dean. You see my name a few times, first degree, staffing manager. You see all this really cool information. Now, if I'm using this, I'm saying, okay, if I want to find more people like Dean, some of the words I should use to be searching for him are going to be recruiter, staffing. But then there's some other things in here that you might want to consider searching for, like HR, like media, and stuff. Then you can go to insights, and insights is where it breaks down the number of words and the relevance. Basically, they'll tell you how often you see, and this is important because then you get to really see some weird words that you might not consider searching for. It's not going to be as much with me because I'm a recruiter and it's pretty simple, but when it comes to um, developers and stuff, you'll see some interesting stuff. And then you go to the keywords where it breaks it down more of those words and how many searches it comes in, how many other people have them, and that kind of stuff. And then Word Tracker itself, excuse me, that one doesn't work. You got to have a paid subscription, and I'm not paying, but the rest of it works great. You can do global. You can narrow it down to only within the US to get that data. So it lets you know which of these words are really hitting home. Social's hitting home. So let's do an experiment. Let's go ahead and find a Java developer, and let's go ahead and look at it and see if we can and see how well it helps us with the Java development. So we're going to pick the very first one, Justin Stein. I really just want to pick one. I don't want to worry so much about anything. Let's make sure there's enough information on his profile to really have a clue what he does. It's not the best I've ever. It's not awful because we get down here, we get to see skills and endorsements. We're going to open that bad boy down so we make sure we hit it all. And down here, all right. So this one will work. It's not the best in the world, but it's far from the worst. I've seen worse. Let's see what our word tracker does for us. Word tracker. Look at that. Okay, we get his name. Okay, but we get the Java dev, we get the full services, we get developer, we get web, we get stack, we get all these cute things. Let's see what our insights get us. Once you get past the name, recommendation, we get software development is a big word we'd use. SD2. Now that's interesting. It's a company. He does some stuff with TCP stuff, some real-time microservices. That's interesting. Some more keywords over here, and we are only in the US, so software is big. He works at Amazon or has worked at Amazon, so we know that's big. So now we know, hey, he's worked at Amazon, might want to target them. Spring, he's got, Spring, which is technology, Java, web services. I mean, there's some good information here. This can help you, and you can save this. You can copy it or save it so that you can use it later. And this can help you write a job description, can help you decide if there's anything you're missing from a sourcing perspective, any other buzzwords. And that's what the tool is really designed around, helping you find buzzwords that can help you. It'll work better with a resume. So if you find a resume on site on here somewhere, that would work good. It works in Munster and Career Builder and all of them as well. So it can work in your ATS or CRM if your ATS CRM is web based, not hard based, meaning on your own server. It can do a lot. This is a really cool tool and helps you a lot. It'll also help you, like I said, with job descriptions, sales, finding people. Just a really cool tool, and I highly recommend it. Simple, low resources. This is Word Tracker Scout. I'm Dean DaCosta.